Hey, out of the Benji train. We're at a train museum. Christmas.
Silver bells ringing,
What's this way? What are we doing? I don't think you're supposed to go down here. Come in. Why? You can't go around this way.
I'm trying to see what this says.
Oh, you can't. Let's go this way.
You can cross over. Cross over right there. There's supposed to be a tent waiting according to where you're at.
Let's go. What are we doing? Doggy, where are you going? Where's she going?
So look down there to see.
Come here, Mom. Hey, y'all. This is Benji Trains. Christmas Museum. See, this train, you used to have to stand on it with two people and push that thing right there to make it move. It was hard. I want to go over there to see the trains.
None of those.
Look at that big boy, 40.
You recording?
Yep. I want to go over here, Mom.
I'm going to get my
Train crossings. Hey, y'all. And we got Christmas train over there. What? Stop, wait. Train! They got a sand thing here? What there? In the sand? Oh. Or do you take pictures? Look at that signal. Where's it going? Ding?
Yeah, you want to go look in the gift shop?
Yes. Yay.
We're on this train right here, right before the caboose. We're at the very end.
Right before the caboose.
Well, that's gonna stink. It'll be alright. We're gonna have fun.
Yay. What are we doing? I want to see the train gate thing though.
In front, we just won't have a tent. Come on, we're going to look.
Okay. Go open, I meant. What? They got. Oh. Come here. Mommy,
Yeah, buddy.
come here.
Where you at?
Follow me.
What you looking at?
What? Look at all these.
Yes.
Yeah.
Christmas ornaments for sale.
Really?
Look at them. That was so
Space,
cute.
okay?
Look.
Because you're going to want to take pictures and videos later.
Boxcar.
Cute. Look. They got North Pole Express ones. Ed, you want to pick out a Christmas ornament?
Not yet.
Look at this one. Come pick out an ornament. You can have something else, but come pick out an ornament.
I'm trying to look for cool trains.
Well, we'll look at that too, but come get an ornament for the tree.
Get an ornament?
Yeah, come pick one. They got that kind.
This one.
You like that one?
Sure.
Here.
Are you sure that one?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
Oy, oy, oy. cream.
Daddy, wait.
Come here, Mommy. They got books. Mom,
Yeah,
come here. Look at these, or whatever.
Yeah.
These are big. Oh, all of these are cool. I wish I could have them.
That's awesome. That's what I figured it was a gift from my son.
They got
us to go.
Thomas the Train. They got a build your
Come here,
own
Mom.
train. Aw, I spent a day out with Thomas.
Please tell.
Plastic necklaces, Randy.
Yeah.
He will, but it won't be like that.
Okay.
It'll look like this.
That must be that train moving.
Oh yeah, it's the train you get to ride.
Oh, that's
But
pretty cool.
Dean's family gets that one pair.
Perfect.
So he will get another one.
Well, let's go ahead and get this. Is there anything else you want, buddy?
Yes, I'm trying to get this real quick.
Let me see.
I want this. It has a box car to it.
But it's not a freight car.
It's a steam train.
I don't care, I want it.
Well, keep looking. You have to look at everything.
Yeah, I know. Come here, Mom. I mean,
Big freight train kid.
I know.
What about one of these signs for your room?
Oh, cool.
Look, they got. Let's see. This one's the Lionel. They got this one that says trains.
Wait.
Back
Look at
here,
that
look.
one, Mama.
Mom, look up there.
Train parking only.
Wait, Mom.
What?
Peanut said CSX.
Oh.
And what Canadian Pacific?
Wow.
What?
But you can't.
Not today.
Mom. Oh, Mom. Mom,
Yeah, bud.
come here. I want those ones right there. I want these right here. But
You
I
like
can't,
that?
but they're $70.
That's a lot.
Does he like Kansas City Southern?
Kansas City, yes.
I like
This is a Kansas City Southern one.
and I like a talking Northern.
This is Kansas City Southern for the ball.
Mom,
Look, Benji. Benji, look.
You're gonna take all your space.
I want that.
Hey, Benji, look.
I want it. But
Union Pacific.
this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. I'm out.
He likes Union Pacific.